Gardening gloves are a deceptively important tool in any outdoor hobby or professional task. A great pair protects hands from thorns, dirt, chemicals, and abrasion, while still providing tactile sensitivity for precise work like pruning, seedling handling, or grafting.
List number 1. Wells Lamont Gardening Gloves for Women. Breathable polyester. This Wells Lamont pack targets women seeking lightweight, breathable protection with a focus on dexterity. The seamless polyester shell and PU-coated palm promise comfort and slip-resistant grip in a multi-pack that adds color variety: pink, green, purple. The elastic ribbed wrist is designed to keep dirt out while preserving ease of donning and doffing. Technical note: materials are polyester and polyurethane, with a blend that emphasizes breathability and moisture management for all-day wear. Performance-wise, the gloves excel in tasks requiring subtle grip and finger control, such as seedling placement, pruning, and delicate transplanting. The palm coating enhances grip on slick tools and wet soil. However, the thin construction prioritizes dexterity over heavy-duty protection, so thorny vegetation or rough masonry tasks benefit from a thicker or reinforced option. The pack's value is strong at the $7.79 price point, and color variety aids organization for different tasks or family members. Fit is described as ergonomic for women, reducing fatigue during extended sessions.
Number 2. Cool Job 6 Pairs Gardening Gloves for Women Ladies. A 6-pack from Cool Job designed for home gardeners who want color coding and ample quantity. The gloves feature a knitted, breathable base with a flexible foamed latex coating in red and mint green. The thickened fingertips add protection for nails, while the long cuffs help keep dirt out during weeding and digging. The package emphasizes machine washability and versatility for gardening, yard work, and light DIY tasks. In practice, these gloves offer comfortable breathability with a non-slip, latex-based grip that handles planting, pruning, seedling work, and general garden chores with ease. The long cuffs reduce soil intrusion, and the bright colors make gloves easy to locate. The main trade-off is bulkier feel relative to ultra-lightweight knit gloves. For very delicate tasks requiring tactile nuance, some users may prefer thinner shells. Overall, they represent strong value for a 6-pack at $13.99 and are a solid all-around option for regular garden work.
List number 3. Cool Job 2 Pairs Gardening Gloves for Women, Ladies. This is a compact Cool Job offering 2 pairs with the same base design as the 6-pack variant. Breathable, knitted fabric, and a flexible, foamed latex coating in bright red and mint green. The emphasis remains on comfort, grip, and ease of cleaning, with machine washing allowed on gentle cycles. The product description highlights suitability for a broad range of garden tasks and everyday DIY projects. Performance-wise, these 2 gloves deliver similar tactile precision and grip as the 6-pack, while saving space and cost for smaller households or occasional gardeners. The gloves stay cool during sun exposure and provide a reliable, non-slip surface for tasks like weeding, seeding, and fruit picking. The main caveat is the reduced quantity compared to the 6-pack, which may lead to more frequent hand-me-downs or rotation across family members. The size remains medium, and colors align with the broader Cool Job palette for easy identification.
List number 4. Leather work gloves for men or women. Large glove for gardening. The WZQH leather work gloves are a rugged, heavy-duty option built from 100% split cowhide leather with a cotton lining. They emphasize abrasion resistance, puncture protection, and a firm grip suitable for welding, construction, and thorny garden tasks. The large size and adjustable wrist design provide a secure fit and dust protection, making them a versatile choice for mixed-use environments beyond gardening. Performance-wise, these gloves excel in high-durability scenarios such as weed whacking, thorny plant handling, and outdoor maintenance where risk of cuts or heat exposure is present. The leather reinforcement at the palm and finger areas offers long-term wear resistance, and the extended cuff helps protect wrists and forearms from debris. However, the leather construction reduces breathability and tactile sensitivity compared to knits or latex coatings, so they are less ideal for precision planting or delicate pruning.
This is a premium yet affordable option at $9.99 for a single pair, with broad application beyond gardening.
List number 5. Cool Job 2 pairs gardening gloves for women ladies. The lavender purple and apple green variant mirrors the 2-pair Cool Job design with a breathable knitted base and latex coating. The visual distinction helps with organization and aesthetic appeal while maintaining the same core benefits: comfortable fit, good grip, and ease of cleaning through machine washing. Performance-wise, this pair maintains comfortable wear for garden tasks like weeding, planting, and seedling handling with the same non-slip latex surface and fingertip protection. Color makes these gloves easy to find in the garden, which is a practical boon for larger plots or busy households. The main limitation remains the same as other latex-coated options: reduced performance with thorny vegetation and potential latex sensitivity concerns. At $9.99 for 2 pairs, these gloves offer strong value for regular yard work.